Denise here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is talking about how we need to stop using merged cells inside of Excel. They look harmless, and a lot of people use them to make spreadsheets look nicer, but the problem is they break everything. They break sorting, filtering, and formulas. So in this video, I'm going to give you a better option that gives you the same look without the problems. Let me show you. So here we have a classic merged and centered area, and we also have a table that has a couple different merged cells. When we do this, it's going to mess with things like filtering or sorting. If I want to filter this revenue from smallest to largest, it does not allow me to do it because it's telling me all the merged cells need to be the same size. Also, if I want to just select this area, this column, I could do Control Spacebar and it selects the entire data set. Why? Because of these merge and center issues. To fix it, we're going to click here from A to E and click on the merge and center button to unselect it. And now it is off to the side. I can try my Control Spacebar again. Still not working. Why? Because we have these merged and centered cells here. I will select this information and once again uncheck the merge and center button. If I want to get the same look, I can do so by selecting A through E once again, going to the alignment pop-out and choosing from horizontal for center across selection. When I do that, I get the same look. So now if I want to just select the C column, I can click on product and do Control Spacebar and it selects only that column. So the next time you want to center things inside of your cell, remember to use center across selection so you'll get clean formatting without any damage to any of the other cells.